Hey guys, it's Miss Alexander, and today we're working on Module 6, Lesson 15, Day 1. We've taken this lesson and kind of divided it in half to give us extra time to be able to understand what we're learning. Our objective is to express money amounts given in various forms as decimal numbers. If you notice, we have our regular vocabulary words, but when I scroll down, you're going to see some more vocabulary words. They're in a bigger font so we can see them. We have a penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter, and a dollar. A penny is a 1 cent coin equal to 1/100th of a dollar. A nickel is a 5-cent coin equal to 5/100ths of a dollar. A dime is a 10-cent coin equal to 10/100ths of a dollar. And a quarter is a 25-cent coin equal to 25/100ths of a dollar. Now, when we read the definition for a dollar, I'm going to show you what everything means. A dollar is 100 cents. So it's 100 pennies. 20 nickels. So nickels, we need 20 of them. We have 10 dimes, which is 10 dimes, and 4 quarters. All of these equal $1. Let's go look at our money value chart. We have a dollar, which is 1 and 0 hundredths. So it's a whole 1. So it's equal 100 over 100. This is what a dollar looks like. This is a quarter. It is written as 25 hundredths, so 0.25, or it could be equal to the same thing as 25 over 100. And this is what a quarter looks like. Then we have our dime. Our dime is written as 10 hundredths. If you notice, we need the 0 on the end so that it says 10, okay? Because it's 10 over 100. And this is what our dime looks like. See? And now we have our nickel, you guys. And if you notice, we have no tenths position. So as 0 goes there. So it reads as 5/100ths, 5 over 100. And this is what the nickel looks like. And then we have our little penny. If you notice again, no tenths position, but we do have the 1 in the hundredths. So it's 1/100th. And then we have 1 over 100. And this is what the penny looks like. We felt it was important that we put what the coins look like because not a lot of people use bills and coins. A lot of people use credit cards or debit cards, and they don't have to really keep track of change and bills. So it was important that we showed you what it actually looked like. Now we're going to go ahead and scroll down. We have a warm-up. You're going to have fun with doing this and figuring it out. And then we're going to come down to our example. It says solve, give the total amount of money in fraction and decimal form. So the first thing we're going to do is write an expanded form. So I'm going to take the quantity, you guys, of 3 times a quarter. I can't quite remember what a quarter looks like. So I'm going to go up to my money value chart and see that I have a quarter. So I'm going to take the 25 and multiply the 3 by 25 because that's what a quarter equals. Okay. And now I'm going to add the quantity of 5 times a penny. And if I remembered my chart, a penny means 1. So I'm going to write it as 1. Now that I have it in expanded form, I'm going to go ahead and multiply and solve. I'm going to do 3 times 25. I know that that's 75. And I need to add 5 times 1, which is 5. So now I'm going to add this up. I'm going to do 75 plus 5, which gives us 80. And knowing that we're dealing with money, I know that all of my numbers go over 100. So I'm going to take this 80 and I'm going to put it over 100. That is what my fraction is about. It's 80 over 100, which means if I write it in fraction form, I'm going to start off with a dollar sign. I'm going to put 0 point because I don't have a whole number, and then 80, which is telling me I have 80 cents. Okay, let's go look at another problem. I have 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 18 pennies. We're going to go ahead and write it in expanded form. So I know 3 times 25 because I know a quarter is 25. And then I'm going to go the quantity of 2 times 10 because that's what a dime is. And then I'm going to add 18 times 1. So I have 3 different quantities because we have quarters, dimes, and pennies. Now I'm going to quick multiply these out. So 3 times 25 is 75. I'm going to add 2 times 10, which is 20. And then I need to add 18 times 1, which is 18. So as I do this, I do 75 plus 20 plus 18. So 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 8 is 13. I'm going to hold up a 1 to remind me I have 1. I'm going to do 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 3 plus the one I'm holding is 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So now I have 113. And remember, I'm dealing with money, so I get to put it over 100. And now that I did that, I see that I have an improper fraction, which means I need to take 100 out. And how much do I have left over? I have 13, which tells me I have 1 and 13 hundredths. Now we're going to turn that 1 and 13 hundredths into a decimal form. And because I'm dealing with money, I'm putting down my dollar sign. I have 1 whole with 13 hundredths. So I have $1.13 for 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 18 pennies. Okay, let's keep going. And we're going to solve and express the answer as a decimal form. So write in money form. So right here, to write it in money form, I'm going to put the dollar sign. It says $6, $6 plus, we have a quarter, 0.25 plus, says 9 pennies, 0.09. So right now, you guys, I'm just writing out what I'm reading. So I know that this is 9 pennies. And I know 9 times 1 is 9, and 1 times 25 is 25, and $6 is $6. So $6 can also be written with the 2 zeros. Okay. Now that I've done that, okay, I'm going to do this as a quantity, you guys, because I'm going to want to do another step. So now I'm going to add, we have $1, so I'm going to do the dollar sign with the 100 with the decimal after the 1. I have 2 quarters, which is 50 cents. And then I have 8 dimes, which is 80 cents. 0.8. There we go. Now what I need to do is add these together. So 6, 25, and 9. So I'm going to start off with $6, and 9 plus 25 is 34. So 34 plus $1 plus 80 is $1.80 plus 50 is $1.30. 230. I forgot my dollar sign. 230, you guys. So all I did was write it out. And now we need to solve. So all I'm going to do is put my dollar sign. And remember, when we add, we start on the right-hand side. So I'm going to 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. And if you notice, after the 3's is decimal point. So I'm going to put that decimal point there. And then I do 6 plus 2, which is 8. So now we get to write this. So our answer is $8.64. I hope this was understandable. If you need a little more help, please ask. I will be doing another video tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this and have a great day. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.